You got the stuff? Yeah, it's right here. What the hell is that? Spat. Oh, it's just Robin. We can take him. I'm tired of being in Batman's shadow. Every time it's me doing something, I always think it's just Batman. And I get no credit for anything I do. Where were you? I was out on patrol. You beat those thugs up pretty bad. Yeah, well, they deserved it. And I don't want to hear us going too hard. You go harder sometimes. This isn't how I trained you. You're supposed to be better than me. And you took the Batmobile without asking. The Batmobile is being repaired. You shouldn't have done that. You could have hurt someone. Or worse, you could have killed someone or hurt yourself. I won't have to take the Batmobile to repair my bike like I asked. And I had it under control. But it's okay, because I quit being a Robin and I don't want to be in your shadow anymore. I'll just pack my things and go. Master Dick, what are you doing? I quit, Alfred. I can't deal with Bruce anymore. Oh, I see. Master Bruce has always been difficult. Yeah, but he blew up on me today for taking out the Batmobile. And he says I went way too rough on the criminals when he knows damn well he does worse. I see. Well, I wish you much luck, Master Dick. If you ever need anything, just give me a call. Thank you, Alfred, for everything you've done for me. Of course. It's my job after all. Well, time to start a new life in Bloodhaven. Time to unpack the new suit. I'm not Robin anymore, and it's time to show everyone that. I think I'll call myself